Implementing audience lists for your search campaigns helps boost your campaign's performance through re-engaging potential customers. We recommend applying audience lists to search campaigns to better understand how various audiences perform. This is because you can monitor the performance of users on an audience list and then bid to the correct value of the audience through smart bidding. In this video, we'll apply the All Users audience list to your search campaigns in 3 simple steps. All Users is an audience list created automatically within your Google Ads account. It uses the remarketing tag on your site to create a list of users that have already visited the site. You can understand how these potential customers re-engage with your ads through applying the list to your search campaigns. This is important since returning users perform differently than new users, often having higher conversion rates. With smart bidding, the bidding algorithm can then use the All Users list as a signal in order to automatically adjust bids for returning users. This removes the need to manually adjust bids for returning users who are more likely to convert. Before showing how to implement the All Users list, it's important to first understand how the audience list is applied to your campaign. There are 2 settings, targeting and observation. The targeting setting tells Google Ads who you'd like to reach with your ads and where you'd like those ads to show. The observation setting helps you monitor how certain audiences perform with your ads, without changing who can see your ads or where they can show. Let's understand targeting and observation through an example. You sell children's clothes and target potential customers through keywords like children's high-quality clothes. You'd like to engage all potential customers who have visited your website, so decide to add the All Users audience list to your search campaign. If you select Observation when applying the All Users list, your ads will continue to show to users who search for your keywords. You'll be able to monitor if any of the users search for your keywords and are on your All Users list. Note that the observation setting does not restrict the reach of your campaign, but lets you observe the performance of the All Users list. If you select targeting when adding the audience list, your ads will only show to users who search for your keywords and are on the All Users list. This narrows the reach of your campaign, since potential customers who are searching for your keywords will not see your ad if they're not already on the All Users list. To add the All Users list to your search campaigns, begin by clicking the Audience Manager to view your audience lists. Select the All Users list and click to Add to Campaigns. Select All Search Campaigns and choose Observation. To view the audience list applied to your search campaign, view a search campaign and click Audience. Here you can see the targeting setting of the campaign. When pairing the All Users list with Smart Bidding, you don't need to add any bid adjustments since Smart Bidding takes care of this for you. The Audiences versus Other rows help you compare the performance of those on the All Users list to those who were not. If you want to deliver a different message to your returning users on the All Users list, you can use if functions within your ad text. If functions let you insert a customized message into your ad that only show to a specific audience list that you select. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit the Google Ads Help Center.